Hey guys, today we're going to talk about 5 of my fave gotta have kitchen gadgets. They're going to up your cooking game and they're going to help you cook healthier too. And by the way, they're all really small, really inexpensive, easy to store. Let me run through them really quickly now. Some of them might surprise you. First one is parchment paper. Second one is a rasp grater or microplane grater. Third is a flexible fish spatula. Fourth are kitchen shears. And fifth is an instant read thermometer. Now stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to use each one too. Okay, why parchment paper, you might ask? Now you might have some of this that you bought for that fussy cake recipe once and it's still stuck in your cabinet. Here's why I use parchment paper constantly in my cooking. I use it to line sheet pans like this when I'm roasting veggies, when I'm oven frying things like chicken fingers or sweet potato fries. It makes a non-stick surface, which is awesome. Easier to clean up. You're just gonna peel this off and throw it away. And the paper itself absorbs some of the moisture coming out of the food, so you're gonna get browner, crispier results with much less oil. So parchment paper, add it to your game. Okay. Microplane grater. I can't tell you how much I love these. They are excellent for mincing garlic with no knife or cutting board. Just check this out. Just run your garlic clove over the top of the grater, like so, and you have perfectly finely minced garlic ready to just tap into any dish that you're cooking. I also love these. This is a trick of mine. Love using citrus zest in my cooking to give a burst of flavor without making things tart. So something like lemon zest, taps right out, great for garnishes. These are also fantastic for using a small amount of Parmesan to garnish something, or like dark chocolate to garnish a dessert too. So great tool for healthier cooking. Next up, flexible fish spatula. Okay, yeah, they're awesome for flipping fish. What's really cool about these, if you can see, the tines bend a little bit so you can get underneath delicate items like a quesadilla or pancakes or French toast. Lets you use a lot less oil on the pan too because you're able to get underneath. You can definitely use it for grilling and flipping things too, but you can also use it as a slotted spoon to remove things from oil or from sauce if you're trying to do that. And you can even bust it out and use it as a whisk if you're trying to like stir ingredients together. So this is one that a lot of chefs just keep in their back pocket ready to bust out to use for a lot of different applications. Flexible fish spatula. Next up, kitchen shears. This may have come with your knife set and you might have thrown it in a drawer and you use them like a basic pair of scissors, but here's how I want you to think about these from now on. Kitchen shears are actually 2 sharp knives that cut against each other. So yes, you can use it to cut up poultry if that's your thing, but here's another way that I love to use them. If you have items like say this quesadilla or French toast or really cheesy gooey pizza and you want to cut it into perfect little portions, great for kids or for parties, kitchen shears are your friend. You're gonna get a perfect clean line. Another great way to use these, you can also use them to trim herbs to use for like a nice garnish without busting out your cutting board or a knife. You're just gonna use your kitchen shears at the end and snip away. And you get a nice, clean, perfect cut. So add kitchen shears to your cooking game too. Last one, instant read thermometer. These are essential for cooking proteins, because here's the thing. If you're trying to cook healthfully, you're probably cooking leaner proteins like chicken breast or pork tenderloin, or actually maybe you're cooking a steak and you want to make sure it's that perfect medium rare and it's hard to tell. With this guy, you just open it up and the display will come on and you insert it right into the center and it's going to give you a perfect reading. You'll know exactly when your food is cooked through to your liking, so it's not undercooked or worse, dried out and overcooked. So instant read thermometer, add this to your cooking game too. So there you have it, 5 of my fave gotta have kitchen tools to up your cooking game and help you cook healthier too. Parchment paper, microplane, flexible fish spatula, kitchen shears, and instant read thermometer. Now you can check out in the comments below where to find these items, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe below too and hit the bell so you're notified when I post new videos, and definitely stay tuned for my next video, which is secret ways to use Greek yogurt to lighten up your cooking. Thanks for watching.